Hello children, today in this video we are going to start with our new chapter, chapter 12 angles. Before starting this chapter children, first of all introduction, what is an angle? So an angle is a shape formed by the two rays. Where two rays are meeting, that point is known as a vertex and the shape formed by them is called an angle. And here rays are BA and BC, these are the rays. Interior of a angle children, inside of a angle is called the interior of a angle, and exterior, whatever point is outside the angle, is called the exterior of an angle. Next is types of angles. Children, there are 5 types of angles. First one is acute angle. An angle which is less than 90 is called an acute angle. Right angle, an angle which is equal to 90 degree, that is called a right angle. Obtuse angle, an angle which is greater than 90 is called obtuse angle. Next part is straight angle. It is an angle which can form 180 degree. Total 180 degree, it is called a straight angle, or an angle formed on a straight line is called a straight angle. Reflex angle, it is 360 minus whatever angle we have to calculate, or whosoever reflex we have to calculate, we have to subtract that angle from 360 degree. Children, these are the 5 angles. Next is the 6th one, complete angle. Complete angle means a circle, 360 degree. An angle which is forming a 360 degree is called a complete angle. And zero angle, if any if any angle or the measure of the angle starts from the point and ends also on that point only, then it is the zero angle. After this children, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means any two rays where they are meeting or they are having one ray common. One ray common if they are having, then the angle formed by these two rays will be the adjacent angles. Two angles are adjacent if they have one common arm, okay, and a common vertex where these lines are meeting each other. Vertically opposite angles, the angles which are totally vertically opposite to each other, like angle 1 and angle 2. These are opposite to each other, so these are the vertically opposite angle. Angle 3 and angle 4 opposite to each other, so these are the vertically opposite angle. Linear pair of angles, the sum of any two angles which are on the straight line. These are the linear pair of angles. So sum of that pair will be, or sum of that two angles will be equals to 180 degree. Now children, come to the exercise 12.1. In this children, we are having only 2 questions in our syllabus. First is, for each angle given below, write the name of its vertices, arms and angles. So in this, vertex is 0 and arms are OA and OB and angle is AO and B. Second part, vertex is O and arms are OX and OY, angle is XOY. In this, vertex is O and arms are OP and OQ, angle is POQ. Next, in the adjoining figure, name the points which are in the interior of angle AOB. So this is angle AOB. Interior means inside. It is point P, R, T and Q. Here Q will come. These are in the interior, inside of a angle. Next is in the exterior of angle AOB. Exterior means outside. V, U, S and W. These are the points which are on the exterior, outside of a angle. Next is on the angle AOB. Now which are the points which are on the angle AOB? A, Y, O, X, Z, B. These are the points which are on the angle AOB. So children, in this chapter only these 2 questions are there. So do them in your book only. Thank you children.